This is the knit two together through the back loop cast off or bind off tutorial. It's a stretchy bind off, but not hugely stretchy, so it's very good because it still keeps its shape. So it's good for things like cowls where you want a slight bit of give, but you don't want it to flare out too much. You want it to hold its shape. So I'm going to show you this example in the round, but this works exactly the same way if you're working flat. So if we start by knitting the first 2 stitches through the back loop, so that means we take our right hand needle and we're putting it through the first 2 stitches in the back loop. We're going to wrap the yarn round and pull the loop through. Now we're going to pass this stitch on back onto the left hand needle purlwise. So we just pop that back on, tighten it up a little bit, and then again we're going to knit those 2 stitches through the back loop, pass the stitch back on purlwise, knit through the back loop, and it's as simple as that. Pop it back on purlwise, knit through the back loop, and you can just work your way across like that, and you'll see it creates this nice bind off that looks like a normal cable bind off, but it has a little bit more stretch.